Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mimi. So as you guys already know that for shampoos I've been using the Khadi shampoos, and I've been using them since a really long time. I alternate between different Khadi shampoos, but I love their shampoos and I am using the shampoos from the brand Khadi for a really long time now. So I was thinking about switching my shampoo brand for a really long time now, but I couldn't find a good quality herbal shampoo that would suit my hair type. So and I was also thinking about making some DIY shampoos or stuff like that, and I was thinking about trying Shikakai powder for my hair, because Shikakai powder is a great hair cleanser. So a few days back I came across another brand which makes hair care product, so I bought their Shikakai powder, and that is what I'm gonna be reviewing in this video. So if you guys want to know what that brand is and everything about that product, and you want to see how I apply it and use it on my hair, then keep on watching. So this is the hair powder that I was talking about. It's the Meera Herbal Hairwash powder, and it's in a powder form. You'll have to add water with it, and then it will turn into a paste, and you'll have to apply the paste just as you apply shampoo to your hair and wash your hair with it. It contains different herbs like amla, shikakai, vetiver, fenugreek, soap nut, hibiscus, etc. And it retails for 63 rupees for 80 grams, which is the pouch size. There is another size, bigger, a bottle size, which retails for 80 rupees I believe, but I got the pouch one first to see how it works. And I took 2 tablespoons of the powder, added water with it, and then applied it on my hair. I thought that the amount was too little for my hair, but I was shocked to see that it was more than enough. It covered my whole entire hair and it properly cleansed my hair. So according to the powder, sometime due to excess body heat we suffer from hair fall. So this powder claims to bring our body temperature down and fight hair fall. So when I applied it on my hair, I really felt a cooling effect. So I transferred the powder into my spongy cell container just to show you guys how much you're gonna get and how the powder looks like. It has a strong herb kind of smell, and this is how much you get. It's a finely grained powder, nothing chunky in it, and it mixes super nicely when you add it with water. So this is how it looks like once it is mixed with water, and now it's ready to be applied on your hair. And I also had oil in my hair, so from the last night, so I added the mixture a little bit on my hair before adding water, and it started foaming up, and when I added water it foamed much more, and it cleansed my hair super nicely, as you can see. So this product is definitely a thumbs up for me. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.